you want to go to space, but you're not Elon Musk. Well, that big button on your keyboard will just have to do for now. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at nothing. Actually, we're not taking a look at anything today. There's nothing happening at all. Not a singular thing. I just want to come on and say thank you guys for all of the support on the videos recently. Not even just recently, just all the time. But there's actually people donating on PayPal things as well. That's crazy to me. That's insane. So thank you guys. And not a lot of the times in the videos, I don't have, not that I don't have the time, but I usually don't say thank you in videos and things like that because I don't want to waste you guys' time with, things that are just like, thank you guys for all the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit like and comment on the video. So I usually only say things that's about the tutorial in the videos. So I like making these videos every once in a while and saying thank you guys. And it's been a while since I made one of these. So, thank you. Like, actually, really, really thank you. And like I said, I said this before, but every YouTuber is always like, thank you guys so much for all of the love and support on the videos. It really means a lot to me. So you guys have probably heard this a lot, especially if you watch other YouTubers. But I really mean it. I really, really do. This channel means a lot to me. And even when I struggle to get things done in my day sometimes, I always think, wow, I gotta make some videos for these guys. You know what I mean? I gotta get some things going. What are we doing today? Pixel art video, Blender video. What's going on? So I am very fortunate to have this channel. I really appreciate you guys. I love the fact that people actually come on and they're like, I was looking for this for a long time, and I found this video, and it's helped me. I had a comment a while ago where somebody was saying that they were trying to figure out how to do something for like 2 years, and this in my video that they watched was like, yo, I figured it out because of this video. Thank you. And that's the coolest thing. So I'm just, just to be able to do that is really, really sweet. So I really, really do appreciate it. We've been through a lot this year. Been through a lot. For those of you that were around, my PC kind of exploded last year, sometime around June or something. I don't remember when it was, somewhere around that time. And that was crazy. It was like August, I do believe. I was crazy. So we went through that. I just went through a lot of other things that's been going on. I've been running around doing things a lot recently. So I really, really, like I said, I really do appreciate all the love and support. I've said way too many times in this video, but it's because it's like 90 degrees in my apartment and I'm dying. So there's that. But long story short, I really do appreciate you guys for all the support on things. And I really, really want to try and not even branch out. It's not even the word that I want to say. I kind of want to do more just art things on the channel instead of like, hey, look at this and click this button and go here and then it works. See, look, I enjoy those videos because it helps you guys like figure out things that maybe were absent or you didn't know or something like that. But I really kind of want to do more just videos about art in general, and I love them. I've been thinking about just drawing things recently and just breaking down how I do that. You know what I mean? And we do a lot of breakdown videos on the channel, but I mean more like just drawing like entire landscapes and pieces just in my free time, and then I'll go through and we'll just talk about them, and I'll just give you guys insight on what I do, because you guys seem to enjoy those a lot as well. So if there's any kinds of videos that you would enjoy to see me do, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. If you just want to say, I love you, then also say that down in the comments. If you want to say, I hate this video, you should never make videos again, also say that down in the comments below. Or you can probably DM me on Twitter and say the same thing if you want. So I hope you, ladies and gentlemen, enjoyed today's video. I will see you in the next one. But until then,